What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play Loose by Niki. So it's a new song, just came out a few hours ago. So for this song we don't have any capo, so no capo for this song. That's great. Easy chord shapes, obviously. We have like 6-7 chord shapes, and I'm just going to show you the chord shapes and all. Obviously I'm tuning, so let's get started. Have a look at the chord shapes first, but before that have a look at the structure. It's a lot important for this song. We start off with the intro, then you have a verse. The verse is actually the longest part of the song. The verse is too big. And after that we have just 2 or 3 lines of pre-chorus. And after the pre-chorus we actually come to the chorus. And then we have another verse which is again big, equal to that previous verse we had. Then we have a pre-chorus which is now just a little bit. We add some more chords over there. And then we have the chorus, and after that we have the outro. So for this song we have the pre-chorus 1 and the pre-chorus 2 one, because 2 are actually different. So pre-chorus 1 and pre-chorus 2 are different. And then we have the verse which is actually same. So we got 3 parts to learn. Verse is same, and then we have the chorus. Verse, chorus, verse, then the outro, then the intro are actually same, and then so in total we have 4 parts to learn. So let's hop into it. And I just want to say for a minute is I actually made a karaoke video of the song. So if you want you can just have a look at that one. In that video I'm actually playing with the song, and that's actually matches with the tempo of the song. So if you want you can actually just put on the song and see it actually goes with the tempo of the song. And in case you just want to sing along, you just want to make a cover, you can obviously use that. So feel free to say anything. So let's get started for the song. Totally no capo. So let's have a look at the chord shapes right now. Alright, the first chord is the C major, which is mute 32010, as you can see in the chord chart. But just I want, like, if it's better if you just add this finger instead of third fret on the A string, just add that on the third fret of the E string. Okay, and now you got a pinky, just add that on the third fret of the A string. So we got a C major over here, but we actually add a G. The same thing after all, but this is an upgrade version of the C major chord. Then an A minor, mute open second second first open. Then an F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. Having problem with the bar chord, feel free to drop a comment down below. I will actually provide you with one of our video showing you how to master the bar chord. Then you have a G major, which is 3 2 open 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 3. E minor 0 2 2 0 0 0, easiest chord. D minor, mute mute open second third first. You can use any of the fingers you want. And what else? And E major 0 2 2 1 0 0. We actually use it for the chorus. That's it. So firstly let's have a look at the rhythm, because that goes throughout the whole song. So let's see how it goes. Now grab a pick, make sure the pick is not too thick. You're not using that pick for soloing, you're just using that for strumming. Now what you're gonna do is just hold the C major chord right now, and you're gonna do. So you do a down, and this down is not too fast. So it's a soft down. After that you again do another down. But this down, it just strums the E and the A string. So it's likely picking the bass note of the chord. So you got. So very soft down. Down, down. And you're just gonna repeat that 4 times. So we got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and one more time. Last time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So just practice with that. It's a very easy rhythm, and on the other hand it sounds super nice. So make sure you just master the rhythm and then you move on to the chord shapes and all, because now we have the same ring, same thing going throughout the whole song, same string pattern, but we just change the chord progression for the different part of the song. So let's follow the structure. We start with the intro and the verse. Now these 2 parts are actually equal, even the outro at the end of the song. So these 2 parts just have 2 chords, C major and the E minor. And I told you the string pattern is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if I tell you how many strokes, they actually total 8 strokes, consisting of 2 down which strumming the full chord and 2 down which strums the E and A string. So therefore you're just gonna do that once for each chord, and you are actually done with this intro and verse. So you got 1 and 2 and so C major, E minor, and you just alternate between the 2 chords and you're done for the intro, verse and the outro. Make sure you maintain the tempo of the song. Let's play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and that's it. And now you just gonna move on to the pre-chorus. Pre-chorus, I told you, it's a the pre-chorus one especially is very short. It just has 2 chords. So over here the first chord will be a C major and then a D minor. That's it. And you just do the exact same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and on all the chords I'm just gonna tell you in this video, just do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It doesn't matter what the chord is. So C major, pre-chorus, D minor, and you move on to the chorus. So that's it. So we got the verse, longest part. So the C major and the E minor goes for a long time because the verse is very long. And then we just have 2 chords for the pre-chorus, and then you move on to the chorus. Now for the chorus, our chord progression will be a C major, then an E minor, then an F, then we have a D minor, G, E major. Now this part, D minor, G, E major, and I'm just gonna break this part. So let's firstly have a look at the first 3 chords: C major, E minor, F major. We do the exact same string pattern: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and E minor, 2 and 3 and 4. You can just get a little bit louder because it's a chorus, so it's the most most exciting part of the song. What do you call this? 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. F major, 2 and 3 and 4, and we move on to the D minor chord. We do 1 and 2 and we move on to the G major. Now we do 1 and 2 and, so 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 2 and then we do 1 and 2. So we on total we actually do 4 downstrokes on the last E major chord, which is 1 and 2 and that's it. So this goes twice for the whole chorus. So let's play from the beginning. I'm just gonna play this line 2 times, which actually completes the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major, 2 and 3 and 4 and minor. F major, D minor, G, E major. Another line. And now you move on to the verse. Again, the longest part of the song I told you. And surprisingly, the verse is actually same. Just 2 chords, C major and E minor, and you're actually done with the same string pattern I told you before. And then you have the pre-chorus too, and this is indeed just a little bit longer. We have chord progression: C major, then an A minor. Let me think for a second. Yeah, for the pre-chorus too, the chord progression will be a C major, then a G major, then an A minor, then a D minor. So we actually do, I hope I've showed you the A minor chord. In case I have not showed you, it's actually mute, open, second, second, first, open, like this. So we again repeat the string pattern once for each chord. So we got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G major, A minor, D minor. And that's how it actually goes for the pre-chorus. For the last time, just want to play this part. Sorry, G major, A minor. And before going to the chorus, you can just do a G major chord and you can just do 1 down, and that's it. And you enter to the chorus, which is again the exact same thing. C major, E minor, move on to your F right now, and after the F we have D minor, 2 downstroke, G major, E major, repeat that, and that's actually the chorus. And then you have the outro, which is equal to that intro or the verse, whatever you say. So we got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just 2 chords. And that's almost everything you need for this song. So if this helps you out, make sure to be one of these. If I went a bit fast, then drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching, obviously. And one great thing is you need to watch that karaoke video where I'm just playing the guitar over there. It's like a cover, so that will actually help you to figure out the rhythm and all, and you can even just play along with me, jam along with me. It will be actually fun. So that's it, and I'll see you guys back in the next video, and make sure to subscribe.